Welcome to How to Get a Rustic Patina with Vibrant Restorations. In this video, it is sped up so you can just kind of get a general idea of how we do it. I like to layer colors, and this piece was navy blue and it was a little bit rustic, so I decided to take it a step further and make it really rustic. As you can see, I use turquoise, I use cream, I use those dark navy blue undertones to my advantage when I do take off some of the paint. And I also use a lime green to really bring out where the rust will go and make it look more authentic. The color that I'm using right now to fill in between the turquoise and the lime green and the cream and go over the cream is actually a mint green color, and that way it'll really make it look like a patina and not just all uniform. I want this to have lots of different layers. I want the patina to really shine through, and mint green is actually a great way to make something look metal and that it has aged. Once I've made sure that my piece has lots of paint on it, it gets more where I want it, I went back through and took a dry cloth and actually wiped off little areas so that would it have some distressing, not just where the rust was going to go, but also take off some of the paint to give it a distressed, worn look. After I did this set, I did let it dry, and then I went back over it with all the colors to give it a second coat of paint to make sure that it was well covered. In the next video, you will see us actually adding the rust. So I hope you stay tuned.